Hello, YouTube land. This is Paul coming to you from the cyberspace. Cut. Hello, YouTube land. This is Paul coming to you from cyberspace. I want to say that I recently won a K&F Concept neutral density filter from Paul Monaghan. I am very surprised as I win nothing. Anyway, I am doing the unboxing. You can see I have the envelope straight from Scotland. I am very shocked again that I won something because I don't win anything. I am the most unlucky person on the planet. Anyway, let's get to it. So we are cutting open the package now, and let's see what's inside. Paul packaged it very well. He sent it packaged twice. In case you didn't know, Paul is a Sigma ambassador who does a lot of landscape work in Scotland. He's also a professional photographer who shoots everything from portraits to weddings. Um, Sigma's been very good to him. Before Sigma, he shot Pentax. I shoot Sigma and Sony. Anyway, let's see what we have here. What we have is a very nice box. You can see this image on the front. Paul actually shot that, and that's why he was giving away one. He thought it would be a fantastic idea, and he says that nothing really compares to the K&F for the price. So this is written in an Asian dialect, I'm assuming Chinese. You can see it's made in China. It's an 82 millimeter, which fits my Sigma 10 to 20 millimeter f3.5. But with a step ring, you can put that on virtually any lens. There are a few that are above that in filter size, but not many. Personally, I have the Sigma 180 millimeter f2.8 macro, and that lens has an 86 millimeter filter ring. Then they have the 105 and a couple of other lenses that are above that, but not many, again. So anyway, let's get on into this. This box is very nice that it comes in. Very sturdy, unlike what I'm used to. It comes with a K&F microfiber cleaning cloth. Actually, two of them, as you can see. Also in the box is a little separator piece. It comes with a very nice hard shell plastic case with a clasp. Most of the time I'm not used to them having a clasp. I'm used to them unscrewing. And you can see that it comes sealed. It has the foam on the bottom. Opening the filter bag. The actual filter is right here. And it is a hard stop variable neutral density, which means it doesn't get the X factor. And I can't wait to try this because I'm told it has very neutral color, very easily corrected. So this one is the, I'm wanting to say it's the 5-stop. Let's see. It's the ND128. So it goes from ND8 to ND128. So it's very smooth in how it operates. It's knurled, if you can see. So it's non-slipping in your fingers. Now, Paul doesn't believe in uh, UV protective filters. I do. So I'm going to be interested to see if I have to take my UV off to use this with my 82mm filter threaded 10mm lens. Landscape is something I've often wanted to get into, but I haven't had the time until this epidemic has hit us, or a pandemic, I should say. And now I'm afforded the time, sad to say. So anyway, that is my unboxing of the K&F Concept ND 8 to 128 that I won from Paul Monaghan, who gave it away. And I suggest you check out his YouTube channel and check him out. He is an author for DIY photography, and he is a fantastic guy. I have to say that. I really enjoy talking with him, and thank you again, Paul, for this. Have a wonderful day.